plan. The Bible is the history of the world. It shows God's dealings with the world throughout the ages. Ending at last in the saints being taken to eternal bliss in heaven, and the devil and his angels being cast into eternal torment in hell. The Bible does not tell us all we would like to know about the devil's origin, but it does tell us a lot about his nature and his word, so we might resist him. Satan, or the devil, is a spirit being who appeared in the Garden of Eden and deceived Eve. She ate the forbidden fruit and fell into sin.